Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install this Defiant doorknob, and to install it you need to have just one tool. I'm using an electric drill driver with long Phillips bit to speed up the installation of the doorknob. First I'm gonna uninstall my old door handle. There is nothing wrong with this door handle, it's working, and the only reason for replacement is because all of the hardware in our bedroom has aged bronze finish. As you can see, the process of uninstalling an old door handle is very easy, and if you have trouble to remove this second lever handle, just push the lever handle down like you open it and you will be able to remove it. When all of the parts of the old door handle set were removed, you can start installing a new one. First, install the latch and secure it with 2 screws provided. If you have a new door, pre-drill holes for 2 screws. Install the exterior knob. Once the exterior knob was inserted into the latch, now you can install the interior knob. And secure a doorknob with 2 mounting screws provided. When the doorknob was installed, now I need to remove an old strike plate and install a new one. And this is it. I hope that this video helped you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.